Happiness is not a treasure waiting to be found at the end of some distant journey. It is not a gift handed down by fate, nor a reward reserved for a chosen few. Instead, happiness is a living force, shaped and nurtured by the choices we make every single day. It is born from the gentle art of living with intention, and it grows stronger as we learn to act with kindness, courage, and wisdom. Imagine the wisdom of ancient times, when philosophers and poets sought the meaning of a fulfilled life. Lao Tzu, the great sage of old, taught that happiness is not a pursuit, but a natural state that arises when we align ourselves with the flow of the universe. He spoke of harmony, of simplicity, and of finding joy in the present moment. These teachings remind us that happiness is not found by chasing after what we do not have, but by embracing and appreciating what is already within our grasp. In the classic traditions, elders passed down stories and customs that celebrated the beauty of ordinary life. Happiness was not measured by wealth or possessions, but by the warmth of family, the laughter of friends, and the peace of mind that comes from living according to one's values. These ancient customs teach us that happiness is a choice, a decision to greet each day with gratitude, to treat others with respect, and to cultivate a heart that is open to the wonders of the world. Our actions, no matter how small, carry the power to transform our lives. When we choose to act with compassion, we not only lift the spirits of those around us, but we also nurture our own sense of joy. When we face challenges with resilience and hope, we discover that happiness is not the absence of hardship, but the strength to rise above it. Each time we practice patience, forgive others, or take a moment to appreciate the beauty around us, we create ripples of happiness that spread through our lives and into the lives of others. True happiness is a journey of self-discovery. It asks us to look within, to understand our thoughts and feelings, and to recognize the patterns that shape our experiences. It invites us to let go of the burdens of regret and worry, and to focus instead on what we can do right now to create a life that reflects our deepest values. By taking responsibility for our actions and by choosing to act with purpose, we become the architects of our own happiness. Inspiration often comes from those who have learned to find joy in simplicity. The ancient sages taught that happiness is found in moments of quiet reflection, in the beauty of nature, and in the gentle rhythm of daily life. When we slow down and savor each experience, we open ourselves to a deeper sense of fulfillment. We learn to appreciate the gifts that life offers, and we find that happiness is not a distant goal, but a companion that walks beside us every step of the way. Let us remember that each day is an opportunity to create happiness through our actions. Whether it is lending a helping hand, expressing gratitude, or simply taking time to care for ourselves, every choice matters. By living with intention and by acting with kindness, we honor the wisdom of the past and create a legacy of happiness for the future. Ultimately, happiness is not something ready-made. It is woven into the fabric of our lives by the choices we make. As we embrace the teachings of the ancients and live in harmony with ourselves and others, we discover that happiness is not a secret to be unlocked, but a light that shines from within. Let us act with purpose, live with gratitude, and inspire others to find happiness in their own journey.